Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today is going to be fun, exciting, and very useful because we are going to the supermarket. You will learn common English words and daily expressions that people use every day. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hi, Emma. I'm excited. What do we need today?
We need fruit, vegetables, milk, bread, eggs, rice, and some snacks.
That sounds like a big shopping trip.
Yes, it does. First, let's get a cart.
Good idea. This cart is easy to push.
Great. Let's start in the fruit section.
Everything looks fresh here.
Yes. Let's buy 6 red apples.
Done. What about bananas?
1 bunch of bananas, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Let's also buy some oranges.
Nice choice. They are good for juice.
Perfect. Now let's go to the vegetables. Now we are in the vegetable section. Let's continue shopping.
What vegetables do we need?
We need tomatoes, onions, carrots, and potatoes.
These tomatoes look fresh.
Great. Let's take 5 tomatoes.
Done. How many onions?
4 onions, please.
Okay. What about carrots?
1 bag of carrots.
Easy. And potatoes?
1 large bag.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. Let's get lettuce and cucumbers for salad.
Healthy and fresh.
Exactly. Now let's go to the dairy section. Here we are in the dairy section. Let's buy some cold items.
What do we need here?
We need milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt.
Which milk do you want?
Low-fat milk, please.
1 bottle or 2?
2 bottles.
Okay. What cheese do you like?
Cheddar cheese.
Done. Yogurt too?
Yes, strawberry yogurt.
Nice choice.
And don't forget butter.
Add it to the cart.
Great! Next, let's visit the bakery. Welcome to the bakery section. It smells amazing here.
Yes, the fresh bread smells wonderful.
Let's buy 1 loaf of brown bread.
Why brown bread?
Because it is healthier.
Good idea. Anything sweet?
Yes, let's get chocolate muffins.
Excellent choice.
Thank you. Now we need meat.
Chicken, right?
Yes, chicken breasts for dinner.
How much?
2 kilograms.
Done. Anything else?
Some ground beef too.
Perfect. Let's continue.
Now we are in the rice and pasta aisle.
What should we buy here?
1 bag of rice and 2 packs of pasta.
White rice or brown rice?
White rice today.
Okay. Pasta's ready too.
Great! We also need cooking oil.
Found it.
Salt and pepper too.
Added.
Wonderful! Now let's go to the snack section.
Finally.
Only a few snacks.
Deal.
Let's buy cookies, chips, and orange juice.
Sounds good.
I think we have everything now.
Yes, the cart is full. Great job.
Let's go to the checkout machine.
Good idea. This is a self-checkout, so we can scan everything ourselves.
Perfect. I'll start scanning the items.
Okay, I'll place them one by one.
Apples, bananas, milk, bread.
Don't forget the chicken and rice.
Right. Scanning them now.
Everything is going smoothly.
Now let's check the total.
How much is it?
It shows $78.
That's good for all this food.
Yes, we bought everything we needed.
I'll pay with my card.
Great. Payment accepted.
Done. Let's pack the bags.
Thank you. That was easy.
Yes, shopping together makes it faster.
We did a great job today.
Absolutely. Let's go home.
And that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching and learning with us.
See you in the next video.